Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I'll guide fix Canva lagging on your device. Now, if the Canva is lagging on your device, then there may be various reasons behind it. The first reason, the main reason, is that your device may not be connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of mobile data. But if your device is also connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of mobile data, to make sure to turn on the flight mode. So this helps to reset all the network settings and helps you to connect to Wi-Fi or in a very better way. So after doing all of it, make sure to open the Canva and check if it is working or not. If it is working, that's good. If that is not working, you just need to open Play Store or App Store and you just need to check if there is any update available for Canva and update the app if there is any available. And there is not any update available, then just need to simply restart your phone by long pressing on the power button. Just need to restart it once. After doing all of it, your Canva will run smoothly and you will be able to fix the issue of lagging. So that's it. That's how you can fix the Canva lagging issue. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.